Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something very exciting with the Redmi Note 7 Pro. We're going to install the Clover OS Custom ROM, which is based on the brand new Android 16. Now, I know many of you are used to using OrangeFox Recovery for these kinds of installations, and usually that works great. However, for this specific build, I am showing this tutorial using the dedicated Clover OS Recovery. This is to ensure the absolute best compatibility and to make sure the flashing process goes smoothly without any errors. To get started, we first need to flash the Clover Recovery image onto your device. Make sure your phone is completely powered off. We need to boot into Fastboot Mode. To do this, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons down. Do not let go until you see the Fastboot logo, which usually looks like a rabbit repairing a robot, appear on your screen. Now that the phone is in Fastboot mode, go ahead and connect it to your PC using a USB cable. On your computer, open up your command prompt or terminal window. We need to verify that the computer recognizes your phone. Type Fastboot Devices and hit Enter. You should see your device's serial number appear. With the connection verified, let's flash the recovery. Type the command fastboot flash recovery.img. Please note that you need to replace recovery.img with the actual file name of the Clover OS recovery file you downloaded. Hit Enter. The process should be very quick. Now we need to manually reboot into that new recovery. Unplug the cable for a second if you wish, or leave it. Hold down the volume up button and the power button together. As soon as you see the Redmi logo appear, release the power button immediately, but keep holding the volume up button. Keep holding volume up until you successfully boot into the Clover OS Recovery interface. Now that we are inside the Clover OS Recovery, we need to perform a clean wipe to prepare the device for Android 16. Navigate to the Format menu on the screen. We're going to format 3 partitions specifically, one by one. First, tap on System and confirm the format. Once that is done, tap on Cache and format that as well. Finally, tap on Data and Format. Formatting data is crucial to remove encryption and old files. Once you have successfully formatted System, Cache, and Data, go back to the main menu. Select the option that says Apply Update, and then select the ADB Sideload option. Your phone is now in a waiting mode to receive the file. Connect your phone back to your PC if you haven't already. On your computer screen, type ADB Devices and hit Enter to confirm your phone is listed with the word Sideload next to it. Now, type the command ADB Sideload ROM.zip. Make sure you replace rom.zip with the actual file name of the Clover OS ROM file you have on your computer. Press Enter to begin the installation. The terminal will start sending the file to your phone. You will see a percentage counter on the screen. Just let it run its course. Once the installation is fully complete, your phone screen will indicate that the update has been applied. You can now select the Reboot to System option from the recovery menu. Your phone will now reboot. Please note that the first boot into a new Android 16 ROM can take a few minutes, so don't panic if it sits on the boot animation for a little while. Just wait for the setup screen to appear. And that is it. Your phone will now boot into the new Clover OS. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.